In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reorder featured photos on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are managing the correct page before making any changes. After you are on your business page, look near the top of the page for the All tab. Click on All to open the full view of the page content and options. This will help you locate the section where your featured content is managed. Next, scroll down the page until you find the Highlights section. This area displays important featured content that visitors can see on your page. When you locate Highlights, click on Edit Highlights to start making changes. A window will open where you can manage your featured content. In this Edit Featured window, choose the featured collection that you want to update. If you have more than one collection, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. Once you have selected the collection, click Edit for that featured collection. This will open the editing view for the photos inside that set. At this point, it's important to know that Facebook no longer allows you to drag and drop or manually reorder the photos you've added to your highlights. The order of featured photos can't be rearranged after they've been uploaded. However, you can still manage your highlights by editing the collection. From here, you can add new photos to your highlights or remove photos you no longer want to feature. Simply select Add New to include additional photos, or choose any existing photo that you'd like to remove from the collection. Once you've finished making your changes, review your updated highlights to make sure everything looks the way you want before saving. When you are satisfied with the new layout, click Save to apply the changes. This will update the featured collection with the new photo order. Once the changes are saved, return to your Facebook business page and check the Highlights or Featured area to confirm that the photos now appear in the new order. This final check helps you make sure everything was updated correctly and is displaying the way you intended. That is the full process for reordering featured photos on a Facebook business page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.